Hi guys, this is me Rishiraj Goswami and I run a page on Facebook named Penetration Redefined. You can find it on Facebook. And so I'm coming with a tutorial today with the DDoS attack of the distributed denial of service that I've shown in the previous video, that how to do a DDoS attack, the denial of service attack with LOIC, low orbit and canon. So now I'm showing the DDoS attack, the distributed denial of service. So how to do a distributed denial of service on a website or a live server or live system or like anything. So you can do it by following my steps. So just keep it on, stay tuned and follow me. Let's begin. Here you are welcome to my laptop screen, and here you can see that the tool here, this one, no, this one, yeah, this one. So we will run it in the Linux machine. So just open VMware, follow my steps and open VMware. Here I have loaded the Paras OS, Paras Security OS. So I have logged it in, and then just follow my steps so that you can gain access to the website. And by the denial of the distributed denial of service, here the tool is here, and just click the right click and then open in terminal. Here resize the terminal here as your screen size. Just open another terminal here, resize it to, yeah, it's done, and open another terminal. And I think 3 is enough for an website to crack. So website will be down. So just at the first terminal you have to grant it the sudo su permission, the root permission. So enter a password and it will be granted, and then clear. So now clear here, then press ls, and then you can find the run.py here. I will attach this folder, the tool, to my page so that you can also download it from there, from GitHub. It is easy download, or if you have any queries, please comment. I will answer it to you and solve your queries, no issues. So just begin with the tutorial now. So just continue following me. And now, note that you have to get install Python 3 in your local main root directory, so that you can use it for the path directory, the path one, so that you can use the Python 3 execution file to execute the run.py file. Okay, so now just follow and type Python 3 and then run.py. Then the application has been loaded, and then here also same command, ls python 3 run.py. One thing to be noted, that you don't need to access all the terminals with Python, all the terminals with the root directory. The first one is enough, because it will lag, the virtual machine will lag if you don't have enough RAM. So let's just leave it with the first terminal with the root access granted. So now let's follow my command. Let's just follow and type Python 3 and then run.py. Here is loaded, and then know your website name. Just minimize the virtual machine, open Firefox. As I use Firefox, you can open any browser of your choice, so that's not an issue. And now I hope okay, I will crack an university website. You know the university, most of you know. It is an Indian university. Sorry, it is an Indian university. So you know, most of you know about it. So let's have some patience and it get loaded. Yeah, and now the Vishwa Bharati website. Okay, so here it is loaded in Shantiniketan, and now go to the website here, the website, and copy the link address of the website. Here you can see that it is loading perfectly. Okay, so just refresh the page and it is loading perfectly, and just copy the link address. Copy. Okay, so here your virtual machine. So the link address is www.visva bharati.ac.in. But keep it in mind, don't misuse it, or don't use it to harm anyone. It is extremely and strongly for educational purposes only. I or Facebook won't be responsible for your criminal charges or any cybercrime charges committed to you. So be aware of that. And now follow my tutorial. So check it. The link you have entered. I have entered it's correct. And now the process will begin. Here we go, and then then just literally press enter. See, the DDoS attack has been started. So here also the same, www.vishwabharati.ac.in. So here also enter. So the same here to www.vishwabharati.ac.in. Enter. The volley has been sending. So here we stop it and run it again in this terminal so that we can gain more power. vishwabharati.ac.in. Enter. The volley has been sending. So just wait for a couple of minutes so that it would down the website, the web page. I'm just showing it for educational purposes only. I or Facebook won't be responsible for the tutorial shown here. So please don't misuse it, and just follow my tutorial for your educational purposes or improving your hacking skills. That's all. So let's just check the website now. It will be down by some time. Let's just check it. Just open Google. So the website link www.vishwabharati.ac. This one. So now press enter. So as you can see, it's not being loading. Previously it was loading so faster and so smoother, but now it's not loading at all. So now the DDoS attack has been started and it has downed the website. So this is called the denial of service, the distributed denial of service, which is more powerful from the denial of service DDoS attack. In my previous video you can see that tutorial too, but this tutorial is more powerful than that, the distributed denial of service. So here is the tutorial, and now thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. So that's all. And now, last thing, just go to your VM machine and press Ctrl+C in every terminal. Ctrl+C, 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 plus C. Yes. Yeah, it's done. Exit and press exit. Yeah, so it's done now. So just power off your virtual machine. You can power it off. If you are using PathSecOS, you can use it in Kali Linux too. No issues. Shut down. And now if you go to the link address, most probably it would be down, but I think it would run again because I have stopped the denial of service attack. So just check it. Let's just check it. See, it has been loaded. As you can see, it has been loaded again because I have stopped the denial of service attack. The distributed denial of service attack has been stopped, so it has been loading so faster and so easy. But while you are using the denial of service attack, it was not loading. So you can assume that your attack was successful. That's all, my friends. So coming with the next tutorial soon. So be tuned and happy hacking. Thank you. That's all.